today. Cooking with the hills. Can I get some cooking with the hills? One more time. That's gonna be. Okay. Wait. Cooking with. Lydia, hold up 2 hands. Oh my God. That was 2 hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cooking with the hills. Woo!
Some. Raise a toast. We don't really have to smash it on us.
Yeah.
Raise a toast to Lauryne. To Lauryne. Happy her birthday.
How do you say happy birthday in Polish?
Stola. I'm pretty sure.
It means, no, that means 100 years.
Okay. Well, everybody comment Stola on my Facebook. Okay.
But it's like, Stola is 100 and not as means years.
But maybe they're wishing you a
Okay,
years.
Lisa.
I don't know.
I mean.
Hey everyone, welcome to a very special episode of Cooking with the Hills. It is Lauren's birthday. And to celebrate it being Lauren's birthday this summer, we figured we'd do something special. We're gonna have a little pierogi making party. And you know us and our love for Poland. How can we do anything Poland without our very own Mama V? Get on up. We got Mama V, we got Sister Hill, we got Mama Hill. It's gonna be a fun one. So stay tuned, and we're doing something a little different. We're doing a recipe we haven't tried before. So those of you who like to follow along, bear with us. Okay, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Woo! The other day, you're natural. Yeah.
Gotta do. This is confusing.
All right.
Let's get the show.
All right.
Yeah, does somebody want to?
Lisa, can you tell us what we have in these
So
bowls?
right here, so we're making 2 different kinds of pierogies, and a bit ambitious, but I think we can do it. Okay, so we're doing a bacon one and we're doing a spinach one, and this one. Okay, so this is bacon in here, and all these bowls.
So you can get Lydia.
These bowls are mine.
So you can't get them
So you
anywhere.
can't get them. Anyway, we have onions in here, and then we have a garlic, spinach, onion mixture over here.
So what are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm just putting the different ingredients in bowls, so honestly, so it'll be more presentable.
We're a legitimate cooking show right here at Cooking with the Hills. And we have our things in unnecessary bowls.
We like to watch.
For aesthetically.
And then we have Wayne cleaning it afterwards.
Giada who?
Paula Dean. Never mind.
Paula who?
Ooh, legit Paula.
And
Yeah.
these are hey. Oh my god. Hey.
Okay, you have a small bowl?
Do I have a small?
Well, you can do
let me get you
somebody
one.
else can do that. You tend to the potato. Here's it. Yeah, that's perfect. And another one. Ooh,
And another one.
thank you. Another one.
Little one.
And it's really important that you clean as you go.
Amen.
Pivotal. And you know, comment down below. You know, this is our first time trying pierogies. If you have a favorite filling that you think that we should try, or if we're doing this terribly wrong, let us know. You know, we are all for constructive criticism over here.
Especially our Polish
We
friends.
love
We love evolving. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Our Polish friends especially need to tell us what we're doing, right or wrong.
Don't laugh
show
at
us
us.
some love.
Don't laugh
Yeah.
at us.
Grace.
Yeah.
Let grace abound.
We forgot to say Dzień dobry.
I'm so embarrassed.
Meanwhile, Mom is scrolling. Mom, how are you contributing?
Are you giving this
supervising and tasting.
Oh, okay.
Very crucial.
That's how you're helping?
Fundamental rules.
And scrolling?
And what?
And scrolling. That's what I caught you. I caught you scrolling.
Scroll.
Yeah. Yeah.
One, our pierogi taster is somebody who hasn't tasted pierogies
I have
before,
that's the same.
so that grace may abound.
Exactly. Yes.
Mom said we need to shout out the people who ain't here.
Yeah, and this is for the ones who ain't here. I'm just gonna raise a glass to Leslie.
Where's my mug?
We miss you so much. You're here with us in spirit. And let me say, we all committed to eating an extra pierogi in your honor.
Amen.
We love you. We love you, Leslie. We love you. Okay, so
You guys, we're doing let's talk in Polish for the rest of the video.
Oh,
We need to saute this one. I hope y'all didn't throw away that bacon grease.
You become
No,
what
she'll be
you
back
say.
there. All right.
she's with us.
let's say hi to America.
I'm a bit confuzzled.
What you say?
You look so nice.
Thank you so much.
Lynette, what are you doing right now?
I am working on our second dough.
Okay.
So I'm beating an egg before I get the flour mixed together.
Okay. We have mistakes sometimes.
All right. So we're gonna add in the bacon, Miss Verna. Yeah. And Yushka. Would you like to add
Lydia,
in
I'm making the dough.
Okay.
I need a
All right.
Hey, Lana,
Oh, we need a.
I'll ask you when I can.
Woo! Oh, wait. Let's show you. Here's a spoon. Or do you need a? Okay, show Miss Verna add the bacon.
Just add all that.
Bacon.
All of that.
It's
All
good
of
for me.
that.
Add all of it. Bacon.
So it's a dough?
Wait, that was bad.
Edit that out. Edit this out too.
Edit this too.
You wanna make that mistake another time?
We washed
Wanna
our
get
hands, right?
oh girl, you don't know me. I'm a germaphobe.
So is this the filling? I'm guessing.
This is one of the.
This is a lot of bacon. I'm so excited.
This is.
So what are you doing right now, Lana?
Beating an egg for the dough.
Okay. Lana, how about you?
Now you care about what I'm doing. Okay. I'm kneading the dough.
Okay. And what pierogi is this for?
The spinach.
Okay. And Lisa, what's going on over here?
I'm sauteing the onions in baking fat.
Okay. They look nice.
It's gonna be good though.
Yes, please. Thank you. I want to knead the dough out in this.
Yum.
Lana is currently making dough.
Yummy.
Everybody has an important role too. Like she needed to put the dough on the counter, but there was food on the counter, so I had to clean it and then dry it.
Yeah.
And so
Absolutely.
I'm not completely, just like a mistake here.
It's a team process. We need everybody.
Yes.
Even if you feel like the little man.
Yeah. We're all in this together.
You're important.
Yeah.
What is that? It says the eye without the ear. Can't go nowhere. You can't hear nothing, man.
In the
You ain't got no
body
hands.
of Christ.
That's right.
All right, let's just take it a step further. We're talking about just cooking, but just in general, the body of Christ.
We all need each other.
Everything. We need each other.
Come on.
You know,
Look, she needed that.
there.
Oh yeah.
Or like always.
Okay, and what's going on over here, guys?
And then we got Lana working on his
You can
dough.
just sprinkle some on top. Thank you.
Hello. How y'all doing? We're gonna take a quick break away from the Cooking with the Hills. It's your boy Wanye. First of all, I just want to say happy birthday, Lauryne. We love you. So proud of you. I love you so much. Second thing, I want y'all to add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram. It's gonna pop up right here. Lauryne, are you talented enough to do that?
Well, just pierogies are, I'm not looking at a cheat sheet or anything. They're filled dumplings of Central and Eastern European origin. And so they're made by wrapping unleavened dough around a savory or sweet filling and cooking in boiling water. or pan frying. I think that's Lauren's
Yes.
preferred.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Pierogi, which consists of noodle dough and have to be cooked in boiling water, are associated with the Central and Eastern European kitchens where they are considered national dishes, especially in Poland.
So now I have our spinach filling over here, and I'm combining the cheese. I'm melting it all together. Just trying to get it nice and creamy and melted, a nice consistency for our filling. I'm gonna keep it moving so it doesn't stick or break.
Wait, we don't need it.
Get that in your hair.
Wait,
Y'all, I think I didn't mess up the dough. Praise God.
Oh yeah,
you
you're
want to
right.
use this?
Let's use
Be careful.
Hacks.
See, life is about finessing.
That's right.
Truth.
What's that song?
Figure out.
Dripping and finesse.
Like lift it
Miss
up.
Verna,
Yeah.
would you rather have eyelashes for teeth or teeth for
Lydia,
eyelashes?
these questions.
Eyelashes for teeth or teeth for eyelashes?
How are you supposed to eat?
Both will be unfunctional.
I know.
Eyelashes for, no, teeth for eyelashes.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
I need to chew my food.
Love it. A lot of excitement going on here.
Yes.
I got it.
I'm gonna take
So what do we put the stuff in
You
there.
put the
and
thing
then
in it and then fold it and then
put
crunch
it
it.
in the forks,
And
right?
then indeed. Let's see. I'm gonna taste it. Let go.
Oh, she's double dipping.
That's why I got.
We're not professional,
Lisa,
but she double
your
dipping.
what do you think, Lisa?
I think it's good. I add a little bit of salt and then I think it's good.
So when they're done, it's gonna look something like this before, like you fry them.
Lisa did a good job.
Yeah, this is the first one.
Okay, now I gotta stretch this
Wait, are y'all boiling it or pan frying?
Pan frying.
out. Oh, so why do we boil?
Boiling.
Huh? You boil it first, then you pan fry it.
Oh,
I did not know that.
Okay.
We are learning. This whole thing is
But didn't the thing online say that you? How about we do like an assembly, okay? How about I stuff it and I hand it to you, and then you.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Yes.
Frozen.
Now I'll be sitting here
But from that
waiting.
store.
Miss Verna, did you hear me?
What?
I said I'm sitting here waiting for this thing.
Oh, cheese steaks, you say.
Adrian.
That's just the Polish
You're probably 20 years old now.
29.
Okay, can
Well, did you buy the
Done,
cheese?
done, done. I don't know which one this is.
That's
That one.
going for it.
Oh, really?
We'll
Should we
put
melt
the
it in?
spinach.
Did you?
This is Chan.
Does it taste good? I mean, it tastes good, but like the answer
So that might have to go
do
in
you
the
want to do that? Or should we just take a bit?
So we don't
Where's
use
it
it?
going? Just take a bit.
Did you
We'll
use
take a
it?
bit.
Did you
No,
use
we
it?
didn't use it.
Oh, shoot.
It's starting to
This
flow.
ingredient.
Mom, what?
Mom,
You're
that's
giving us
not recipes are
She's giving us hate before we even get on the air. Did you hear Mom give us our first bit of hate before
What
we
did she
even
say?
get on the
What she
She
say?
said we need to be canceled.
I go begin a major ingredient. Have it sitting
I'm putting all
there.
this.
Mom, so do this.
See, Mom, if you were in here helping
I'm
me,
here supervisor. I spotted. I caught it.
but Mom, you were gaming.
Listen, it was supposed to be in there. I want it in there.
Okay, you guys, you know how you stand.
Okay,
to the
now,
side.
excuse
So
me.
Mom walks in the kitchen.
We should. That's funny.
We gotta go on.
Team! This one has a hole in it.
Oh.
A hole.
It'll still be
What
edible.
are we supposed to do with this? What is it? Give it one. Give it 1 second.
Snap it on in there. Lord, you see me snapping it?
I'm confused.
Mom, we never learned how to double dutch.
Oh, yeah, we really. Did you put the cream cheese in it?
I don't even know how to jump.
I know.
I'm a city.
Then what did you
I'm
do?
a double champ.
Wow.
So you put that in there?
I wasn't
Damn, I did it, but I didn't.
Man, you
But
never
it's
taught
also
her.
just as blasphemous that some of them don't know how to braid hair.
And all that stuff.
Huh?
Thanks for making a good one, Mama.
I can you put the cream cheese in there then?
Lana, handle your business.
Too.
She's being sarcastic to you.
Listen.
Some cash stuff. Some rock stuff.
Is it hot enough?
I mean, that was a little underwhelming.
Maybe it'll get more exciting as we go.
It looks real. Like that's a real casserole. And
I'm moving somebody's phone, but yes, I did. I put my hands with I did put my hands in the bowl.
The other ones, they're in the room over there. Cabinet.
No, y'all didn't.
Yeah.
Oh my, that's what that's for.
I got my name all over it.
That one is for me, I think.
I hope it's good.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Lauryne! Thank you guys so much for joining us on this episode of Cooking with the Hills. This was such a great time. We need to do this again.
Yes.
Verna, you're always welcome here in the Hill Kitchen. Yes, bye. Do widzenia.
We're gonna taste our pierogies
Oh wait.
for you guys. Bardzo dobrze. Smaczne. Smaczne. Feels like I'm back in Warsaw.
It's from Poland, but it tastes like it's straight from heaven.
That was good.
You like that?
Okay.
Alright. Do widzenia for real.
See you guys. Do widzenia. Bye. Subscribe.
Remember, you don't have to be a restaurant chef to cook.
Do it like mom.
Because
Because I don't want to have to lose friends because they're disrespectful towards us. Because they don't see that all the time.
Is that candy ready, Ray?
You don't even know what the song is.
Well, you just went all the way out. That was cute.
Alright.
That was.
Now I want something.
Thank you. I like that you straightened her out, Lauren.
Thank you.
yeah, she looked good. She looked queefy. Alright, so yeah, do it again. Lisa, do you do it again?
Yes.
Cooking with the Hills birthday edition.
Yes.
Lauren's birthday edition.
Okay, wait, get in here.
Get in this. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Get it
where's
right,
Lauren? Where's
ladies.
Lauren?
Mommy,
Mommy needs to be where you are.
Yes.
Mommy is